gonna show you why you don't throw away that penny on the ground. Make sure you taking that change out your purse and dumping it, because it is worth it in the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Tiff Dance, and I am here in front of COINSTAR telling you how you can turn your real life coins into cash. So I'm about to walk in here and show you how I do it. I've never done this before at a COINSTAR. I did it at a bank before. So come with me and we're gonna get our coins up, okay? Because everybody can use a little bit of spare change turned into a couple of dollars, especially with the holidays right around the corner. But I don't think I'm gonna get that much because I didn't bring that much coins. What is your guess gonna be? How much change do you think is in my coin jar? How much change do you think I'm gonna get? How much money do you think I'm gonna get? I'm taking guesses down below. Don't cheat now. Don't cheat. Come with me on my journey.
Wait for cooking to finish.
So I had this coin. All right. Thank you much. All right. Okay, so look at here, people. Real life cash. I just turned my coins, I had a jar of coins, into real life cash. Almost $40 in here, okay? I think it was like $38. So if I can do that, you can do that too. Like, I'm gonna start making sure, have a routine, dumping my change that I have in my purse and just start saving it more and more. I'm gonna get really better with it. I wanna make $500 of change. I think I can do it, you guys. Maybe that could be another video. So I just wanted to show you how I can turn this real life coins into cash, you guys. Cha-ching! I got my coins up and my dollar's ready, and it is freezing cold out here. You know I love you when I'm doing a vlog, freezing cold, but I'm trying to teach y'all something. COINSTAR is the move, okay? So get y'all coins up too, and make sure you check out some of my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this content.